Hey guys, it's KK BMX, and I'm gonna show you my bike check. Well, just gonna show you it. So my bike is a mongoose, as you can see, and my sprocket. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's a good one because it makes a noise. But yeah, and I'm gonna see if my dad will take the front brake off, because I've gone over the handlebars a lot of times and stuff. Yeah, so I've got my pedals, I've got my pegs, as you can see, that one, and I've got this side on the left. So I have got a reflector on the back, and I've got one. Oh my. And I've got one on the front because I ride my bike in the dark sometimes. And I've got a bell. I don't know why I want that on there, but still. Oh, fucking work. And there we go. So yeah, that's that. And it makes this annoying rattling noise in it. So yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I will be doing some BMX videos soon. So be sure to watch my videos and subscribe to my main channel, The Video Kid. As always, guys, peace out. Oh, fuck! Oh!